Just about ready to drain the pool. After I finish my root beer. If you don't give it a break, you're gonna kill yourself. Oh my god, it's Surfing Bird by the Trashman. He made a tornado. A tornado in the pool? Oh my god. This pool is so tiny. That's how to do that in a small pool like that. Bye, bros.